How to report a missing item from McDonald's order. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can report a missing item from your McDonald's order. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if something like that happens, if you head over to your web browser and simply search for report a missing item from McDonald's, you'll find this McDonald's option. So if you head over to this website, it says that your what you'll have to do is to report and resolve any issue, you'll need to identify who is handling your delivery. So it's either Uber Eats or DoorDash. So here you can simply check, you can simply contact any either of those, that is Uber Eats or DoorDash. You can even find the number right here, and this is for the DoorDash one. You can simply text or call them, just contact them and report it. And that's the only way you can do this, guys. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.